Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and finding out that your job has been taken over, not by another person, but by an artificial intelligence that never sleeps, never gets tired, and works around the clock. It can answer emails, write reports, analyze data, schedule meetings, and even make decisions in seconds. Is this the future we're heading toward? Or is it just another technology myth? Today, we're exploring one of the biggest questions of our time. Will AI agents replace human jobs? Let's find out. Artificial intelligence has changed dramatically over the past few years. Not long ago, AI could only answer simple questions or generate text when someone gave it a prompt. But now, a new generation of AI has arrived. They're called AI agents. Unlike traditional AI chatbots, AI agents don't just respond to questions. They can understand goals, create plans, use software, search the internet, organize information, and complete complex tasks with very little human help. Many experts believe AI agents could become one of the most important technologies of this decade. Some even compare their impact to the invention of the internet. But with this incredible power comes an important question. If AI can perform so many tasks on its own, what happens to the people doing those jobs today? So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it as a digital worker. Imagine hiring an assistant who never sleeps, never asks for a vacation, and can work on multiple projects at the same time. Instead of waiting for instructions every few seconds, an AI agent can receive one goal and figure out the steps needed to achieve it. For example, if you tell an AI agent, research the best laptops under $1,000 and prepare a comparison report, it won't simply give you a short answer. It can search for information, compare specifications, organize the results, write a report, and present everything in a clear format. Some advanced AI agents can even use different software tools, send emails, analyze spreadsheets, write computer code, or help manage business operations. That's why companies around the world are investing billions of dollars into AI technology. Businesses are always looking for ways to save time, reduce costs, and increase productivity. AI agents promise to do exactly that. They can work faster than humans on many repetitive tasks. They don't get tired, they don't lose focus, and they can process enormous amounts of information within seconds. From customer support and software development to finance, education, healthcare, and marketing, AI agents are beginning to change how work gets done. But does that mean humans will become unnecessary? Or will AI simply become another powerful tool that helps people work more efficiently? To answer that question, we first need to look at the jobs that AI is already changing and the surprising careers that could be affected next. The rise of AI agents. Will they replace human jobs? The impact of AI agents is no longer just a prediction, it's already happening. Around the world, businesses are using AI to automate repetitive tasks that once required human workers. This doesn't mean every job is disappearing overnight, but it does mean that the way people work is changing faster than ever before. The biggest question is no longer, will AI affect my job? The real question is, how much of my work can AI do? Let's start with customer service. For years, companies hired thousands of employees to answer emails, live chats, and customer questions. Today, AI agents can respond instantly, understand customer requests, solve common problems, and even hand difficult cases to a human employee when needed. This helps companies reduce waiting times while allowing human workers to focus on more complex situations. The software industry is changing too. Modern AI can write computer code, detect programming errors, explain difficult functions, and even help build websites or mobile apps. Instead of replacing every programmer, many companies now use AI to help developers work faster. Tasks that once took several hours can sometimes be completed in just a few minutes. Marketing is another field experiencing major changes. AI agents can create advertising ideas, write blog articles, generate social media posts, analyze customer behavior, and suggest better marketing strategies. Businesses can now produce content much faster than before. However, successful campaigns still depend on human creativity, judgment, and understanding of real people. Even the healthcare industry is beginning to use AI. Hospitals and researchers are using AI to organize medical records, analyze large amounts of health data, and support doctors during diagnosis. But AI doesn't replace trained medical professionals. Doctors still make the final decisions, especially when human experience, ethics, and patient care are involved.
Finance is changing as well. Banks and investment firms use AI to detect fraud, monitor transactions, analyze financial data, and identify unusual activity much faster than humans. humans. By processing millions of records in seconds, AI helps reduce mistakes and improve security. So, are these jobs disappearing? Not exactly. History shows that new technology often changes jobs instead of eliminating every role. Many tasks become automated, while new careers and new skills emerge. The people who learn to work alongside AI may have an advantage in the years ahead. But one important question still remains. If AI keeps getting smarter every year, could there come a day when it replaces most human workers? Let's explore that possibility in the final part of this documentary. The rise of AI agents. Will they replace human jobs? So, will AI agents eventually replace human workers? The honest answer is, no one knows for certain. Throughout history, every major technological revolution has created both challenges and opportunities. The Industrial Revolution changed manufacturing. The internet transformed communication. Smartphones changed how we live every day. Now, AI agents are beginning to reshape the way we work. The future will likely involve humans and AI working together, rather than AI replacing everyone. Many experts believe that repetitive and predictable tasks are the most likely to become automated. But jobs that depend on creativity, leadership, emotional intelligence, complex decision-making, and human relationships are expected to remain important. Teachers inspire students, doctors care for patients, engineers solve new problems, artists create original ideas, entrepreneurs build businesses. These are areas where human judgment and creativity continue to matter. At the same time, AI will almost certainly become a powerful tool that helps people become more productive. Learning how to use AI may become just as important as learning how to use computers or the internet. The real question isn't whether AI will replace every human job. The better question is, who will learn to work with AI and who will ignore it? Technology has always rewarded people who adapt to change. AI agents are not simply another software update. They may become one of the biggest technological shifts of the 21st century. Whether that future creates more opportunities or more challenges depends on how businesses, governments, and individuals choose to use this technology. One thing is certain, the future of work is already changing, and this is only the beginning. If you enjoyed this documentary and want more videos about AI, technology, and the future of our world, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next documentary.